Welcome to As E Dey Hot. This Ogbonge Monday, the start of new week and the last day for the month of February. February 29th, 2016. This number is a very special number, sake of say, now once in 4 years, now the thing they come, because now leap year, now we dey for this 2016 when we dey so. And now they welcome to this Ogbonge politics discussion show where they discuss all the issues where they affect us inside Obodo, Nigeria. As the thing they come up plenty smoke, we go discuss the thing, chook mouth inside, talk and do anything they be us for body, so that those when we give the mandate to represent us for government go do the right thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezeogo Chukwudi, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I dey with my brother Wayne Sabi well as they concern the politics matter as e dey hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. We don't carry another Monday edition of that same Ogbonge program coming our way. That same program where we say they give that a license to talk issues affecting our country the way it been for body as it is hot. Today we'll go different because all the different activities we play out from Friday reach and yesterday will be Sunday. We go do it, we'll go sunshine so that at least now we'll be up to date with informative and activities of it they go on for our country Nigeria. We go also open our phone line so that at least now if you call in make we know as we will take collectively move this country forward. We get 3 solid telephone line for now and 1 toll-free line. Toll-free line we say now go call. Now go talk, now go express ourselves. The payments will come. Me now leave that one for us, we go handle that one. My name never still change. My name now Nkubi. And this now As E Dey Hot.
Una know as we dey do every Monday. Based on say on Friday, we go lock shop, carry key, go house. But our ear go still dey ground, sake of say all of the action gist when they happen inside Nigeria, we want to get them because of una. On Monday, we'll come carry and come the one they call tear rubber. We go tear the nylon, come out on top of all of these action stories, come discuss them, come allow you to chook mouth inside. And we go start with this very, very sad story. When it be like, say, we don't discuss them on top of As E Dey Hot, but it be like, say, those when we elect to represent us, they never do the right thing when they're supposed to, or the thing when they do, they need to re-strategize to do the one when we say they don't go make mistake. And this one, they happen for inside Benue State. And it got to do with the issue of Fulani headsmen and farmers. I know say plenty when they have for us go talk say again. As it don't happen again, we go continue to talk until they find lasting solution to this problem. And this will happen for Agatu community for inside Benue State. They talk say about 4 communities and 25 villages. Say Fulani headsmen, they enter inside that place and they can't keep plenty people. They talk say as at the last count, more than 45 people now he don't die on top of this particular incident. And they don't say it don't happen since, but you know they come out for news. And they don't say this latest one start on the 22nd of February. Can you imagine? 22nd of February and today now 29th. Now say this sad thing don't happen for a very, very long time. So then the governor of Benue State, Oga Samuel Otom, he carry speed, enter inside Abuja, go report to Oga President, say, he be like, say, what did they happen for inside my state? Don't pass my power. We want to use this opportunity. They talk directly to those when the government, because they talk say if person they tell you talk small and it be like say you know here they go draw here tell you that one. And so we want to discuss with government now one-on-one how Nigerians go they die for inside this country sake of say some people maybe because of their own interest or because of say they just won't survive or because of say they get natural badness they want to do bad thing. 145 people, 145 Nigerians now just die like that. The pictures not be what I go advise anybody to go see. The videos not be what I go advise anybody to go see. Then destroy villages, then burn down property. If you see small children, time don't reach for the Benue State government and the federal government and all of the governments in Nigeria with the relevant security agencies to stand up and do the right thing. People don't they complain, say that they cite some kind of Fulani headsmen, that they work out, they carry gun. What if person when they follow Nama, they carry gun, they do. If we get better security for inside this country, why would they live the way when we say people go they live, then go they fear? Why? e good make we address this problem from the basic, that is to find lasting solution to am so that this thing no go happen again. I dey vex, but I go stop am for there.
Yes, from that vex, which you could dey vex, because really sincerely, that vex now waiting, now vex we go really call for at least our leaders to do it, to quickly chook eye inside the issue of at least Fulani herdsmen, make them know, make them find lasting solution to that. From that story, we will enter straight to this other one, where that is the Oga president will carry waka enter Qatar. They don't sign one ogbonge bilateral agreement. The bilateral agreement they call them that is they call them air service agreement, where we say this one we say the two countries go do it. That is Nigeria and Qatar go do it. They go they share and we get to do with flight together. They go that is their flight fee enter our country. We say fee enter their country, and at least so that at least this agreement, this relationship go dey very very strong. The person who dey in charge of this signing now the Minister of Aviation. That is Hadi Sirika. Now he do it. Now he sign this now on behalf of the president. And in the same vein, the Minister of Finance herself can also sign avoidance of taxation. This thing, avoidance of double taxation. Bill. Where we say that one. We say the two countries as well. At least they no go put too much heavy task or too much bill on top of their head. If this person won't visit us and we will also visit them. Then in the same vein, when Oga President also meet with Nigeria community for Qatar, he can't talk, say, look, say the issue of this 5,000 naira, say, he no go fit do it, say, he no go fit work, say, he no go fit do it, say, he no go fit, the fact, say, the sort even heavy pass him. Why he talk this? He talk, say, look, it go better for him to do it, to carry that money, do it in carry and invest into people where we say, oh, they're ready to work. So that at least you go take and put structures in place, ensure say people work, rather than to carry 5,000 naira, give unemployed youth, and in the end, they'll come they sit down, come they wait for another 5,000 naira, we go come another month. Say, you no go support that one. Say, now the agreement where in political party make, and the fact that the political party don't also come and say, at least they don't get source of revenue, or where they feel say this money go come from. Say, you no go even support the idea at all. Now all this talk play out for Qatar, for the waka way our president carry waka when he visit Qatar and Saudi Arabia.
For that particular issue, we go enter this other one when we say it don't dey cause plenty controversy inside Obodo, Nigeria. On Saturday, news filter in. It filter, no be say it break. It filter because based on the information when they available, we be like say people no sure about this one. And those when we say the matter concern, they never answer, say that like this the thing they. So we go talk say the news filter in. Say make everybody remember say Oga President don't been promised already say for the presidential media chat. He no go agree say make anybody spend one kind outrageous sum, say they won't buy motor. But news come filter in, say our Senate tells them they don't take delivery of cars when worth 330 million naira. Investigative journalists come look say, okay, make we dig deep to find out this particular issue. And they come call the people when we say, now their work to supply motor to our Senate them. The man named now Oga Lanre-Shitu Motors, now their work with that. When they call the man for phone, the man does say, say anything when get to do with motor when we say senators them they use. Say now their office, their head office, when they for Abuja, now the matter concern. But say from what you know, it be like say they don't collect motor. He don't say but he say no sure, but it be like say they don't collect motor. They call say okay one. It be like say they don't collect motor. And they call the people when we say they talk say na them collect motor. And they come to say no, say as at this moment where you call me now, I never know whether we don't collect, that is them when supposed to say they never know whether they don't collect the motor. They come to say, okay, make we call the Oga Senate President based on say, as him be Senate President, he supposed know. As the Senate President, when they call him, no be him pick call. One of him guys, now him pick call, that one come talk say, say, no be like say they never see, say, he no go lie, he never see any motor. But the only motor when he don't see, the new motor when he see, now the one when we say Senate President look say he get one car when he inherit, that is to say, and he collect them from the former Senate President. Say the car, say the car don't get fault. Car when they buy with big money, how many years ago? Say the car don't get fault. He can't give instance of when the car fall the hand of Oga Senate President. Say for airport, the car, the thing just he can't stop, he no won't start. Say for National Mosque, he no won't start. Say even when they go visit Oga President, the car no won't start. Say the Senate President can look say Instead of making they use motor when no gree start, may they just collect new motor. It doesn't only that one, you know. But some kind senior Nigerians don't come out talk say, we don't they complain, say people when be say the government, we don't trust them. Sake of say, it be like say anything when they do that they like hide them. Say go they good make them come out in open, can't tell Nigerians say, now like this particular issue they make Nigerians know. One of the people when we say bash them with this talk now, Professor, it's a Hage. In close one eye, I see they talk, say, these are our senators, them say, what did they do now? Disgrace and a very, very big shame. Say if opportunity there to come out all of them for inside that Senate, saying go stand up, rise with Nigerians, come out there for that particular Senate. Plenty Nigerians come call our senators them with small voice, come tell them say, hey, our senators, una know say we talk say trust deficit there between those when they government and those when they govern. I beg anything una they like do, make it day open. Say as we dey now, we won't know whether that 330 million naira motor, when we they complain say money no dey this country, one bag of pure and 150, whether una don't buy them, abi una never buy them. Why will they wait for the answer? We'll continue to discuss this matter because this country belongs to all of us.
And from that particular matter, say we dey wait whether they really spend that money or not. We carry enter straight into this other story. Through under the Ministry of Finance. Did you say they hear now talk say federal government they save 2.29 billion naira monthly. That is this one from December reach the period they will do now. As a result of waiting, as a result of say they uncover 23,000 about over 23,000 ghost workers. Say ever since they uncover that thing, say at least every month then they save 2.29 billion naira. Who they talk this one? Now the spokesperson for the Minister of Finance will be Mr. Festus Akombi. Now he come and talk say at least with this uncovering of say we don't uncover ghost workers, we don't pursue them. At least we don't save like 2.29 billion naira every month from December reach this period. We they very much aware say early February this month the Minister of Finance will be Kemi Adosho come and talk say when they defend her budget for the House of Senate come and talk say look say from the look of things say they don't discover over 23,000 ghost workers where they collect money from not for not doing anything at all. Say at least say he don't block those loopholes and very very soon say at least Nigeria will generate money from those loose holes where people just deliberately putting their own people or putting names where no exist inside and say at least from there so we know say at least we they accountable to ourselves, we they save money. So with this report now they talk say at least 2.29 billion naira now we they save every month. At least we go talk say yes a laudable one for the ministry and also a laudable one for our country Nigeria. Say at least we don't they gradually cover up those loopholes where they spend money unnecessary for Bodo Nigeria.
To come top all our story this morning, we go discuss the one when we say our gallant soldiers them they do for the northeastern part of Nigeria. Information come out say our soldier people not be say they don't rest on top of this fight against Boko Haram Jaguda people. Say every day now they carry fire, they fire these Boko Haram Jaguda people to pursue them finally come out for inside this our country. Everybody go know say at some point Boko Haram Jaguda people they collect territories for Nigeria, they call them Haramistan. So they even raise their flag, but our soldier people based on say more ginger don't they now, they don't they take care of them where they give them everything when they need. They don't they tidy these Boko Haram Jaguda people, and these Boko Haram Jaguda people now run, they run like rats when we say they use fire, smoke and come out from inside a hole. And the information come out say 37 Boko Haram Jaguda people. I don't know where they come from. Come they join these people. 37. Say them our soldier people tidy. The one we can't touch plenty Nigerians now say they say this Boko Haram Jaguda people they get generator and the generator no be I better pass my neighbor. Not be even those small one. Me say if you wanna go to do boom. This one are the one when you know they even they make noise at all. Now key then they use the honor. People come they ask say why he be say this Boko Haram Jaguda people where then they buy this generator? Who they give them all this money to use buy all these things? The one when even go shock people now say they get solar panel. I go break them down. What if be solar panel? Solar panel I say they don't even need meter to even get light. Solar panel just they from sun the thing they generate power. People go to talk say hey, say this Boko Haram Jaguda people we be like say that they even they live better life. Pass some Nigerians who even there for some kind of area for inside this country. Say it go good, make our soldier people do their best. And not be just to they tidy them, but make them fish out all those their sponsors. The people where they give them money to buy solar panel, the people when they sell solar panel to them, who they go the market, go deliver them, who they come supply them. All these kinds of things now our soldier people and our military intelligence people suppose begin they gather. So that once and for all, not be just say we they kill Boko Haram Jaguda people. From the root cause of the problem, we go solve them. The people when they sponsor them, we go catch them, cut that supply so that they're not going to see money to they spread everything when they spread. From this point, we they tell tell our soldier people say we appreciate all the thing when they do. All those when we say don't lose their lives, we they pray say, may God grant them, may they rest in peace. And those when we say don't wound, everything when we fit do as a country to use the ensure say then treat them well, may them give them. And the families of people when we say get soldier, we appreciate you now because of our family people. Now make this country still there as one. All of the story when we don't carry come from this weekend, 5 of them when they come up plenty smoke, we go allow you now to chook mouth inside. But before we do so, I go just run over these stories again so that everybody go get everything for mind. We start with the one we get to do with Fulani herdsmen versus farmers for inside Benue State, especially Agatu community, the local government area for inside Benue State. When they talk say 145 Nigerians now don't buy for this particular incident. We go like make una call, make una give advice on what government go do because not be everybody when the government now is sabi pass. So that they go fit know how they will do things when we say they go find lasting solution to this problem. From that one, we enter the agreement when we say Nigeria government and Qatar government they sign. No be even that one can be the most important thing. Aside from the fact say people don't already talk say no be just travel. Oga President they travel because he be like say no go holiday when it's small. He they try arrange some kind of thing so that Nigerians and Qatar then go they very very friendly and we go fit they move our country forward. The one when he can talk when he meet with Nigerians when they inside Qatar. Now the one when I make plenty Nigerians come talk say it be like say another thing go happen. When he talk say left for Ram or he know say the APC as a political party promise say they'll give 5,000 naira to indigent Nigerians. He talk say now for the extremely poor now they'll give that money to. And no be people when talk say they no get work because he talk say that kind of money they go use and build infrastructure, put certain things in place when go make people when we say then they unemployed can they do the work when they supposed they do. We can't take 3, 4, and 5 stories just join everything together. The one we get to do with the fact say our country then they save plenty money from people when we say they know they work, but they will just come, they claim say that they work. The one we get to do with the talk when they talk say 330 million naira worth of motor. Then they talk say our senators then buy. When they say when they come out, come clear them now whether they buy that one or they no buy them. And the final one about the great work when our soldier people that they do now. All these stories then will carry come from weekend and will allow you make you chook mouth inside and talk the way anything be you for body as it hurts.
Chukudi, from the first story where you drop, the Fulani herdsman issue, where we say he talks 145 people have been, 9 died. I know when it comes to the issue of say Fulani herdsmen and crisis, you understand. We will not say Benue they play that Benue this thing they normally Benue they are among the most affected part. But before we go do it, before we go further on this particular matter and other matters we don't table down for now, we'll do it. We'll quickly do it. Enter market, go drink small water. They come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we carry the go.